What are you doing? Gotta crawl. Crawl. Get on your knees. Watch your head. Go under. Yeah, good girl. Good job. Come on. Thank you. Yeah. Come on. Felicity. Watch your head. Bonk. No, Felicity, go up the stairs. Go this way. No, no. Hey, that's the slide, sister. Come on. Hey, come this way. Hey, no, no, we're not doing that again. Let's go this way. Go this way. Go this way. What's over there? Where's the flower? No, no. Can't go up the slide. Go this way. Let's go see the fishies. This way. Let's go this way. Come on. Come here. Come see Mommy. Felicity, what's this? Look at a fishy. Come on. The slide. Whoa, whoa. Hey, want to go up the stairs? Want to go up the stairs? This way. This way. Oh, you're fine. Go ahead. Careful. Turn around. Turn around and sit down. Sit down. Careful. No. Sit down. Do you need help then? Oh, sorry, bug. You can't do that. Gotta go this way. Come this way. Let's do the stairs. I'm gonna show Grandma how you do the stairs. Okay. Yay! She overdoes the crawling. Hey! Hey, look, Felicity. Let's go up here. Felicity, you want to do the stairs? Watch your head. Careful. Good job. Want to do the stairs? watch your head. Yay! Go up the stairs. I love this swinging arm. Oh, wait. Watch him go. Go up the stairs. Let's go. Oh, this is where we're safe. Can hang here. Careful. Watch your head. Hey. Felicity, want to go up the stairs? No? I want you guys to see her go up the stairs. It's so funny. Hey, you, I'm gonna get you. Get her go. Hey, do you want to go up the stairs? Go do the slide? Ooh, let's go do the slide. Do the slide with Mom? Yeah, yay! How funny this is.
Okay, and I'll be the tape, okay? You're nothing here. Alright, and our base is over there, okay?
Good job, keep going. All right, let's go down the slide. Hey, Felicity. Nope, let's go down this slide. This is the better slide. Let's go down this slide. Ready? Sit down. Sit down on your bum. Lay back. Ready? Watch this. Lay back. Woo. Go back. She stops herself. Woo. Felicity! There she goes, back to her yellow cheese walker. Can say bye-bye? Hey.
Be gentle. Trust him.
I love her walk with the swinging arm. Yay! Boom. Where's the bug? This is the first time she's really enjoying herself. They're trying to make friends with a stranger. Say bye-bye. Hey, you. I'm gonna get you. Bye-bye.